Hello guys, and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to tag a business partner on an Instagram post. Okay, so the process is very simple. We just need to follow a few simple steps in order to get there. Okay, so let's jump right into it. First of all, you want to log into your account and you want to make sure that you are a business. You have a business account or a creator account, and make sure you are eligible. You can see that by going to account, brand and content tools, and here if you can see I'm approved. If you're not, you have to apply or to get a request to get approved. Okay, but let's hop into how to tag a business partner on Instagram post. Okay, what you want to do is press on the plus, and now here you just want to choose the post that you want to normally post, and then press next. I'm just gonna use this GTA San Andreas post and click next. And here what you want to do is, because if you are like me and you have multiple accounts, you can see that here you don't see any model options. What you need to do is to scroll down until you see that small button right there on gray that says advanced settings. Is the last option. Press advanced settings, and now here you can see the branded content option, and you have the option to tag a business partner or to allow business partner to promote. Okay, let me explain what everyone does. So if you want to press tag business partner, here you will only see a list with approved partners. Like, those are the people that allowed you to tag them in your posts, and then they will be able to promote them. But you can choose them and press like this, then go back and share. Let's get rid of this girl right here. Let's just scroll down, and here if you can see it says paid partnership with I'm Entrepreneur 93.a. Okay guys, so this has been the tutorial. Now if you want to see how to tag somebody that didn't send you an approval, make sure to check the channel, because I have just made a video on that. See you next